Hi, my name is Richard Torres. I'm just reviewing my camera I recently bought. It's an Olympus VR340 with 16 megapixels and 10 zoom, wide angle lens, 24mm.
It's 12 o'clock a.m.
And I didn't need to hear that. Okay, basically you got your zoom in here, your power on in here. It's got a 3-inch screen with your directional buttons laid out in here. You got your menu on this side, your assistance button here, and this if you want to play any snippets or video you've taken or the photographs itself, and this is the record button, and this is the photographic button. Right, I'll turn it on now. There you go. There you go. It's got a very clear screen. It's got a lot of clarity to it, and you see a lot of the surroundings, which on normal cameras you would not normally get to see, thanks to the wide angle lens. When you're zooming in, there you go, the lens extends out, and when you go back in again, has a lot of menus in here. Unfortunately, 1 second, there you go, there's the menu system, and when you want to go up and down you just click on the direction, and when you want something you hit it. And that's about it. And just press the power button to switch it off. Comes with a nice wrist strap. Let's see if it's got any other little functionalities. Oh, it's got sorry, stupid me, it's got the micro USB socket in the bottom with the tripod in here, a tripod holder in this side. If you open this up, you've got your SD card in here and your battery in here. Battery, you just have to pull back a little red clip and that's your battery, and your SD card, there you go, goes in there. Then once that's all in, it's a little button you push across to lock it in place, and I believe that's about it really. And it does have a flash as well, sorry to mention, and a red eye remover function on this side here. It's this particular model is a black version. You can get them in all different colors. You can get them silver, blue, I'm not sure about pink, but there are quite a few different colors available. This is the actual box it comes with. It has at the back all the attachments that you would normally get coming with the product. It's PicBridge. It also can accept a memory card that is Wi-Fi connectivity, which means if you want to use this camera to connect up with your computer, Wi-Fi, transfer files and so forth, you have to buy a special card which is quite expensive. It's called an iCard, Wi-Fi card, sorry, it's called. And then basically it's exactly like the SD card I showed you, but it has Wi-Fi built into the card itself. and depending on how big the actual memory is. At the moment I'm carrying a 32 gigabyte, which is way more than I need. It does have video feature, but it is limited to, you can take a lot of video, but the problem is that if it's you got it set to 720 HD, it can only record on a 30 frame rate, can only record 9 minutes of video at one time. Then it stops, then you have to press it again to continue recording. It is not a continuous recording, which why it does that I have no idea. It very upset me very much when I found that out, and that's why I ended up buying a Panasonic HD video recorder. Anyway, if you reduce the frame rate to 15 frames instead of 30, you can get about 18-19 minutes straight video recording, but you do lose some of the quality in the frames because you're reducing the frames by half instead of being 30. So that's about all I've got to say. Oh, I do beg your pardon, it's been a long day. Anyway, I'll try and show you this. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I think the light's a bit too bright. There we go. There we go. There's the extras you get with the actual. You get a CD-ROM. You get the lithium battery. Well, the lithium battery, it's got to be part of it anyway. Then you got your wrist strap, the actual camera itself, USB connection, AV connection, which means you can plug it directly into the TV through phono sockets, and if you've got for SCART adapter, you can connect it like that as well, and a charger, and that's it. It's got a little 3-pin plug that you could plug the USB into if you want to charge it by mains instead of using the actual computer or any other USB source. There you go. I hope that's been helpful. I hope to see you soon. Bye.